Welcome to Cloud Medicine, and today I'll be reviewing Vartusha Payslip. So as we know, Vartusha is a CMM level 5 organization from United States and they are mainly working on banking, healthcare and technology domain. So I'll reviewing two slip today. The first payslip is for uh, engineering level. So this is pretty much a junior level. And as you can see, I mean, this is for Hyderabad campus, Hyderabad Srilingampalli. And the his her basic earning is 9,254 rupees and HRA is 4,600 rupees. Food coupon allowances is 1100 rupees, which is nothing but a Sodexo, and then LTA, which is taxable, 833 rupees. Bonus she is getting 1500 rupees and special allowances 11,807 rupees. So total earning for this employee is 29,121 rupees. Now coming to her deduction in PF, 1100 is deducted, professional tax 200 is fixed, food coupon like that amount the Sodexo it will be recovered from our salaries, that is 1100 rupees, and they have a extra portion which is a employee welfare fund. For that they are deducting 50 rupees, so total deduction amount is 2460 rupees. So if we see uh, engineers, so it's a junior level position, so her earning is take home pay is around 26,500 rupees. And if we see the one more pay slip, so this pay slip is assistant consultant. This is for associate consultant, which is nothing but the technical lead role or the project lead role. So this is a mid-senior role just before the managerial role. So this is for a location of Bangalore, and then her basic earning is 13,000 rupees, and his HRA is 50% of that amount is 6,900 rupees. Convenience 1600 rupees, child allowance is 200 rupees. So this is basically a flexi bucket allowances. So he have designed his salary to minimize his taxable amount. So child education allowances is 200 rupees, base bonus is 1300 rupees, unclaimed medical 15,000, unclaimed LTA 19,000, unclaimed telephone is 12,000 rupees. So special allowances is 31,716 rupees. So this amount will be taxable because he declared it for reimbursement, but he was unable to claim. So his total earning is 1,02,000 rupees. And if we see the deduction, his provident fund deduction is 1,688 rupees. So that is because his basic earning is very less, and his professional tax is 200 rupees. The mandatory contribution in employee provident welfare fund is 50 rupees, and the income tax is 12,880 rupees. So 14,800 is total deduction, and his monthly earning is 87,873 rupees. So this is pretty much. So comparing to other MNC, Accenture, TCS, CTS or Wipro, so Vartusha is almost pay similar, or sometimes they pay little better, as they have footprint in Bangalore, in Hyderabad mostly. So thank you everyone. Please do subscribe to my channel to see further content.